Hi, welcome to this video. I am Dustin. In this video, I will take you through how to use CCP in Guide. CCP stands for Compiled Code Packages. Before that, we should know some information about CCP in Guide. Another tool called Ratatosk T3, which is used to create, edit, and compile CCP, can be found in PLUS+1 installation path. You can right-click on the guide icon to open the file location. Then open the folder P1 compiler. You can find this tool Ratatosk T3. IDL syntax. The CCP interface is expressed with the IDL, which stand for Interface Definition Language. You can reference the user manual Create Compiled Code Packages. Start from page 38. This document can be found in our website. Type in the keywords compiled code packages. Then you will have it in the search result. IDL Type. Different HWD has a specific IDL type. You can find it in the last page of API specification document to check which IDL type should be used. The interface between CCP and Guide is described by a file with the extension IDL. Let's have a look at the example using IDL file to create interface between CCP and Guide. The first field of the header, CCP_STM32FX0x474, is the interface type. It shall have the same value as defined in API of target devices. The target device in this example is MC24_110. We can check the IDL type in the last page of API specification document. The next field, conversion, is the name of the CCP that will be visible for the users in Guide. It will also become the name of generated files such as C and H files. The IDL file must have this name, otherwise compiling errors will happen when building CCP. The last field in the first line, 008A, is the version of the IDL. Inside the interface definition there is a class defined. It always starts with the keyword #class followed by the name of the class. In this case, the name will be conversion. Inside the class definition, there is a method defined. The method is the actual function of this CCP. It has a return data type S32 and a method named Celsius. After that, in brackets comes an argument list with the argument Fahrenheit of the data type S32. After we have the basic understanding of the IDL file, let's open the tool Ratatosk T3. We create a CCP to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Click on New in File drop-down menu. We give CCP a name and choose the path in the Coming Out window. The target device we are going to use is MC24-110. So we should check the IDL type in API at first. If you don't want to type this long string, you can copy it from the CCP type override in Option tab. After we have the IDL file created, we type in this code we have mentioned before. Remember to have all the related files in the same folder. Then we click on the Generate button. We will see the content of C file and H file in the middle window if no errors happen. C file and H file will be generated in the folder if C and H are checked in Options tab. We can find the return value is 0 in the generated C file. That's because we don't have any content in this method. Next, we add logic to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius in verbatim format. Start with opening curly brackets hashtag and end with hashtag closing curly brackets. If you would like to know more information about verbatim format, you can reference the user manual Create Compiled Code Packages. Start from page 41. Next step, we can click on the Build CCP button to compile and create CCP file. After compiling successfully, a zip file would be generated in the folder, that is the CCP file we can import to guide. If the compiling is interrupted, you can check the error messages in the right window. Now we have the CCP file, we can open guide and import it. Right-click on the P1X file and select Add Compiled Code Package. Find the CCP file just generated. After that, we can see the CCP and its interface under Project Manager window. Under Component tab, we have two components named Create Externally Defined Class and Call Method of Externally Defined Class. We can use them to call the class and method defined in CCP. Then we add no volatile memory and checkpoint so that we can validate this project using CCP in Service Tool. After compiling and download, we open Service Tool, download the value of 100 to Fahrenheit, we will get the value of Celsius equals 37. That is a simple introduction to how to use CCP in Guide. If you need more information or help, please remember to visit our forum, help desk, or visit and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your attention.